Append integer to beginning of list in Python. How do I prepend an integer to the beginning of a list?
How it works. List.insert index value. Insert an item at a given position. The first argument is the index of the element before which to insert, so xs.insert 0, x, inserts at the front of the list, and xs.insert ln xs, x, is equivalent to xs.append x. Negative values are treated as being relative to the end of the list.
Note: don't use list as a variable name.
Note that if you are trying to do that operation often, especially in loops, a list is the wrong data structure. Lists are not optimized for modifications at the front, and sumList.insert 0, something, is an ON operation. SumList.pop0 and del sumList 0 are also ON operations. The correct data structure to use is a det from the collections module. Dets expose an interface that is similar to those of lists, but are optimized for modifications from both endpoints. They have an append left method for insertions at the front. Demo.
Another way of doing the same.